feel ko talaga. Hi mga loves, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for supporting my channel mga loves, kahit na I'm not really active anymore sa vlogging because of this ECQ. So mostly na napapanood nyo ngayon sa aking videos ay yung mga song covers. Song covers, yes, na mga gusto kong songs. So like what I said sa disclaimer, mga loves, I'm not a professional, but I like to sing and I like music and I like to edit vlogs. So wait. Okay, back. Alright, so time check, mga loves. Okay, so we are, ano ba yan? Ano ba ito? 2:38 in the morning. So, yan. Si So Ingo pa ang aking, ayan, 2:38. Ito na, ano? Ayan, 2:38 na in the morning. And, hindi pa ako natutulog. For some reason, kasi I was watching docu-series ng BTS, yung I don't know if I'm allowed to say it, Break the Silence. Kasi I just recently got the video from some group. So thank you so much that group who's allowing us to see, kasi kailangan mo siya i-purchase sa Weverse. So thank you so much guys. Anyway, thank you so much. Shout out to Lyra. Lyra, my friend, my barkada in high school, for inviting me to the group. Thank you, enjoy. Okay. So, I was watching and the docu-series is very emotional. So I have to stop a little bit kasi parang, I cried when yung part na nanalo sila sa Mama Award and binulgar ni Seokjin doon na they almost got disbanded noong 2018. So yeah. Anyway, enough about that. So this video is about a reaction video of my old videos in Facebook. So, kasi ng mga panahon yun, hindi pa namin alam masyado yung YouTube. Siguro si ano pa lang may alam nun, si tawag na to, yung Filipina na vlogger, na beauty vlogger, na may family na ngayon. Forgot the name, so I'll just put it somewhere. Anyway. So, mga panahon yun, hindi pa, again, okay, so the video, yung vlog natin ngayon is all about reacting to my old videos in Facebook. So in Facebook siya, mga loves, because wala pa akong YouTube. Nag-start ako ng YouTube 2017. So that was 3 years ago. So actually YouTube is parang I think 2010 nagsimula or earlier than that. I'm not really sure. So, kaya lahat ng mga videos ko, diba? pang hilas na video kung sa Bisaya pa, yun nasa Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to react. A little bit cringy. Iisip ko pa lang, it's, weird na. Anyway, so let's react. So, for those who don't know, way back, 2010, 7, in my college days, payat ako guys. Okay, payat ako. So, ngayon, I'm healthy. So, don't be shocked. Parang nakita nyo, hindi naman siya yan. Kasi hindi magkamukha or hindi magkakatawan. Ako yun guys, katawan ko yun. Okay? So, Payat ako dati. Ito yun. So, let's begin. Wait lang. I-record natin ng screen. Okay. Na-record na ba? Charot, hindi pa. Okay. Yun. So, unang video na nandito is itong song na kinompose ko. It's entitled You and Me. Hindi. Kinompose ko siya 10 years ago. Hindi nakasulat dito yung date, but it says 10 years ago. Okay, tingnan natin.
Hi guys, this is my first time posting a video here.
Ang hina ng audio.
So, this is not going to be very good, as you know. But I would like to share this song to you guys. And this song is entitled You and Me. I just created this song last
Explain ang
December
lola.
2009.
Explain.
So,
I-forward natin.
that was just
Pinatan na. Wait guys. Ang gitara, super yabag. Super wala sa tono. Kung sa Tagalog. So, hindi ako gitarista. So, don't judge me. Pero feeling ko, sobrang galing ko na nito. 10 years ago. Sobrang super.
Take my hand, we'll go somewhere else but
Alam ko pa yung lyrics.
hear my voice.
Payat ko dito guys.
Don't you ever shed a tear. I know it's so hard to believe me.
Alam ko pa yung lyrics.
But all I want is to be free. We can go wherever.
Grabe mo mga jawline ha. Nasaan na ang aking arms? Ang payat ng aking arms.
All you need to do is to believe. You and me. Don't cry,
Uy.
just smile.
Nag-smile.
Don't hide. Let the world see of
Pero hindi makita yung mukha ko dito sa kaitim ng video na to. Okay. Mayep. Alright. So, trivia guys, 10 years ago, I was with my ex at that time. Hello ex. And siguro tong song na to, I think 2 months after, naghiwalay kami ni ex. Yung ex ko was, we were together for 3 years. Like, together for 3 years. And I had no idea what was happening in his mind at that time. I didn't know na mag-break up pala 2 months after. You know na, kawawa. Less romantic ang past. Yun. Okay. So, let's check another video. Tama na itong mga pa-senti-senti and kanta-kanta na video na to. Let's check another one. Okay, so... nawala. Oh my gosh! Nag-freeze. It's not responding. Oh my god. Alright, so next video is with my friend, Jayo. Jayo, hello! Shout out to you. I hope you're okay. So, let's check it out. Ito yung mga... Isa sa mga videos na nasa... When we were on our rest days. Wala kami magawa. Wala kami pera at nito ni Jayo. Kaya hindi kami nag-SM or nag-video. Kaya so, sa bahay lang. So, So, I was oh, okay, trivia again. So, right after kami nag-break up ni ex, so this room here, ito yung bago kong apartment or bago kong boarding house sa Cebu. So, nag-visit si Jayo. And wala kami magawa. So, we're just having some crazy MTV. Kaya nga nakalagay sa title, Crazy MTV, mga walang magawa sa buhay. So, eto. So, tignan natin kung ano yung music namin. Oh, di ba? Wait lang. Jayo is very in character na. Nag-start pa lang ng music. Ito yung Chris Brown ata ito. Ginaya namin sa ito. Uy, nakakaiyak ka. Kasi nakaka-remember ako. Uy, ang payat. Wait, please. RIP to my bukton or my arms. RIP to my jawline, to my collarbones. Wala na. So, I need to come back. Kailangan may restoration of body tayo ngayon. Okay, continue. Naiyak ako, guys. Grabe. Very nostalgic, ha? Kasi, wala lang. Siguro maybe I miss Jayo. Hi, Jayo. We're not really that close after nung nag-transfer na ako sa JP Morgan Chase. But in Italy Care, or Stream dati, we were really close. We were really having fun and sa mga sayaw, sa mga kabuang, or sa mga crazy stuff. Yeah, so I miss him. So, because kasi he's very funny. Oh my God. Nakaiyak po. Wala ako yung backup ni Jayo dito. Uy, Jayo ha. Grabe, Jayo. Number 1, best actor sa mga acting-actingan. Okay, ito. Kaya. I do need car. Inacting talaga. I do need car. Okay. Grabe, payat-payat. Walang magawa. Crazy. Ang payat ko, wala akong bilbil. May bilbil ako konti lang. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yung yung shoes? Ano ba yan? Every kiss and every touch, hug. Now I only want the world tonight. Oh, the same action pa kami ah. Nakakamiss ha, very nostalgic. nag-enjoy. Nag-enjoy talaga kami, guys. Wow. Okay, wow. Amazed. Nakakaiyak. I don't know why. Oh my God. Some mga comments here like, Marge Bacos. Hi, Marge! Sabi niya makamingaw ang kakiat ni Jayo. Yes, of course. Makamingaw, Jud. Then, Jayo said, grabe po doy. Di ka. Miss you both. Okay, we miss you too. So that was our comment 4 years ago. Kasi parang na-share ko ata siya ulit 10 years ago. Nakakatuwa lang isipin, guys, no, na 10 years ago. So that was like when I was 23 years old. Yeah, this was 23. Oh my God. So way back before, wala pa tayo. Ang problema lang is paano gumising, pupunta ng trabaho, yun lang, paano gumawa ng rason para magka-sick leave, para makapunta sa ibang lugar with your friends, or para makalaglaag ka, or something. Anyway, I miss this prime time in my life na I could have I wasted more years sa life ko. So if I were to go back in this time, because I would still enjoy life, and maybe I would share Jesus more to people. Jayo invited me sa City Church, sa Waterfront. So that's why he is one of the most significant person sa Italy Care. Kasi he invited me to go to church. This was after the breakup. Yung sa aking ex. Yun. Kasi when I was with my ex, hindi ako nakakapag-church kasi we were living in a sinful life, ganyan. And we were lying every day because people didn't know na we were together kasi he was something else, blah blah blah. It was in the past. Anyway, controversy, chika. Anyway, so Jayo was one of the people who invited me back to church. So that's why I miss this person. So hello, Jayo, if you're watching, message me, okay? Let me know kung saan ka na ngayon. Charot. Okay, so let's have another video. Let's have another Jayo video kasi si Jayo na naman. Nakakaiyak kasi ibang video. Okay, let's react on this one. This video was the same day na nirecord namin using my laptop. Yung sa Mac na laptop. So, if anyone was wondering kung bakit baliktad yung paggitara. Again, yung paggitara is, hindi ako gitarista, I'm not a professional, so hindi ko alam kung wala sa tono or what. Or, basta ang alam ko lang, hindi maganda yung gitara, yung strings and everything, kaya pangit yung tunog. Ito yung cover ni Jayo ng Hawak Kamay. So, listen. About 9 years ago, so, I think the same day to eh. Wait a minute, kasi na ano. Okay. Wait lang. Gonna record again. Wait lang. Kasi, na-maximum tayo, 15 minutes na pala tayo nagde-record. So, save muna natin. Save natin. File name is React. Ish. What's that? Let's do Bulto rin eh. Ayan! Nasa isip ko lang BTS. Wait lang. So, yun. While nagana tayo, nag-push tayo ng video, no? Or nagpa-publish tayo ng video. So, yun. Way back 10 years ago, ang dami nangyari, guys. Ang dami nangyari sa life ko. Ang daming mga mistakes na nakomit ko. Ang dami kong mga regrets. But, even though mga regrets siya, it doesn't mean na hindi ako nag-learn ng lesson. So, I learned my lesson. And I gained a lot of experience. I gained a lot of fats. Hindi. Kasi, siguro, if I'm given a chance to go back, siguro I will still choose to experience everything. Because, dahil dun, I am now a better woman and I am now a stronger person. Yung nag-crack ang voice. Stronger person. So, even if ang daming mga pagkakamali, ang dami-daming mga wrong decisions in life. So, even yung mga major decisions in life ko, it ended up wrong. But I still believe that God is super, super duper in control of my life. Yun lang. Kasi, paano ba yan? Paano ba explain? Kasi even if before, way back, when I turned my back on God, He did not leave me, and He always reminded me who I am. So yun. I will not say that I'm a failure dahil, you know, of the past things, past relationships na it didn't work or what. But I forgive everyone na nakasakit sa akin, especially those who I really love na hurt. Kasi yun naman talaga, diba? If you love this person, most of the time, sila pa yung nanakit sa'yo. Ganun talaga yung life. But, yun lang. So, right now, super duper enjoy ako sa check ng mga videos. So, ulitin natin. So, hindi ko na lang siya i-record kasi ang tagal niya. So, ito na lang. Ulitin natin ito. Si Jayo. Hawak kamay version. Hawak kamay cover ni Jayo.
Sana darama mo kaibigan ng problema.
Bagay pala ito sa drama ko ngayon. Ito.
Hirapan ka at masasabi di mo na kaya. Tingin ka lang sa langit baka sakali may masumpungan, o di kaya ako'y tawanan at malaman mong kahit kailan hawak kamay, di kita iiwan sa paglagban. Ito sa mundo nagkatiyakan, hawak kamay, di kita bibitawan sa paglalakbay. Sa mundo ng kawalan.
So, wala na, hindi na kumanta si Jaya. Okay. So, yun. Well, miss you, Jayo. Let's go sa another video. Ito. Ito yung parang nasa second week trainee ako sa JP Morgan Chase. Kaka-ano pa lang, kaka-transfer ko lang ng company nun. Kasi after the breakup. So, my very first friend sa Chase is Dave, my friend. And, another nakakalungkot kasi I miss Dave also. Oh my God, I really miss Dave. Kasi we did a lot of things together, we traveled together, we poured out yung mga saloobin namin together, we tell everything to each other. But anyway, let's listen to this song. This is If We Ever Meet Again. So, wala pa uso ang dub smash Annie Davey. So, wala pang dub smash. Ito pa lang. So, nauna na kami sa dub smash. This was 10 years ago. About 10 years ago. Says, well, this is our first video together at Starbucks. Hopefully, there will be more videos soon. And also, our other friends will be able to join our crazy world next time. Thanks for this fun time, Davey. I enjoyed it a lot. Wow. So, Dave, I miss you. I hope mag-reply ka na, girl. Kasi for some reason, nag-deactivate ata siya ng Facebook. So, ito. Anyway, let's see. Ang payat ko pa dito pa rin. Oh my God. Grabe. Oh. So cute, Dave. Look at my arms. Payat ka pa, ha? Grabe. Tell me very nostalgic mga music, guys. Dave keeps on looking on the people beside him. Kasi nga, parang hindi pa siya sanay mag-video-video. So, ako lang talaga yung makapalimuka mag-video-video in front of public. So, ito. Payat ang collarbone! Oh my God! Payata, uy! Payata! Is this a sign? Is this a sign? I just don't want you more. Baby, tell me what's the story. I ain't fine, don't you worry. I'm flirting with my eye. Wanna leave with you tonight. I try to see your face some more. Wow. May kaigat anig na wong eh. Halo ang alcohology. I hope we meet again, Dave. I miss you. Parang nasa Discord lang ha. Oh, so cute. Dave, you're so cute. Bye-bye. Ayun na, may directed by Mubo Chang pa. Okay, so yeah. So Dave, I miss you so much. I hope you're watching my videos and my vlogs. Don't you know na how many times ako nag-post sa Facebook sa aking wall, like, looking for the bid. Because I have no balita na from you. And this really makes me so sad. Going back and watching your videos, watching our mga kabuang and the crazy stuff and the michosoyo, mga ganon. So, anyway, I hope you are doing okay. I hope you're doing fine. If you have time, please contact me. Please reply to my messages. Because whatever it is, you can always tell me things just like before. And I have so many things to tell you about me as well, about my life. I'm so very emotional right now because of hormones. I hate PCOS. Okay. Alright, so our next video is again, this is one of the videos that I liked because even though yung mga tao dito sa video na ito ay mostly sa mga tao sa video na ito we're not in good terms anymore, but just know guys na okay, later guys,
Take a bow. Bye.
take a bow.
Kiss naman. Rihanna, take a bow.
Grabe ka payat. Si Alex. Si Sean.
Trying to apologize. You're so ugly when you cry. Please, just cut it out. Don't tell me you're sorry.
Nasa mali mo yung suwatas na kami. Pero mo yung suwatas me. Suwatas mo.
But you fall out of show. Really had me going, but now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show. Very entertaining, but it's over now. God, it's so
Very, very entertaining.
And don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, when I go, you won't be sorry, 'cause I caught. But you put on quite a show. Really had me going. But now it's
Grabe.
time to bow. Curtains
Sadak.
finally closing. That was quite a show. Very entertaining. But it's over now. So go on and take the bow. How it be?
Grabe, Alex is a total performer.
Standing ovation. But you put on quite a show. Really had me going. Now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show. Very entertaining. But it's over now. But it's over now. And take the bow. But it's over now.
Like that by Bubuchang na naman. So yeah, it's over now. So what I said earlier, grabe, Alex is very talented and very entertaining, and also si Shan, very talented and very entertaining, and I'm very proud to say that we met and we became friends. So as for me and Alex, I don't know what happened. It was a long time ago, like siguro mga 9 or 8 years ago, or yeah, kahit na a little time lang yung naging friendship namin ni Alex, but we did a lot together, like going to the mall, mga fun stuff and all. So I still consider him as one of the best things or the best person that I met in my life, and I learned a lot from Alex as well. So even though lagi kami nag-aaway, siguro din yun, kasi lagi kami nag-aaway, and yung away na parang asat pusa, gano'n lang, hindi naman masyadong serious, but kay Alex pala, it was really serious na for him. So I was really insensitive and immature, so that's why siguro he ended his friendship with me. So Alex, I'm so sorry if ganun man. I'm really sorry, but just know that I love you still, and I love to talk to you, and I love to, to be friends with you again. So please forgive me for all my shortcomings, and whatever it is that na kinagalit mo, I hope mapatawad mo po ako. Okay, so yun guys, yun yung ending ng vlog na ito. So in total, I think 3 to 4 videos, I don't know. Ano na, ipapakita ko yung mga dramatic events na nangyari early. But anyway, this vlog is just supposed to be a reaction to my old Facebook videos. But then again, naging dramatic si Atech. So because, kasi nga, I remember my friends and friends na wala na ngayon with me. Hindi pumanaw, but friends na hindi na kami magkasama ngayon. So sila nasa Cebu, ako na, I'm back here sa Davao. And I just really miss them so much. Kahit na, yun lang. So, guys, if, let me know kung ano yung mga comments nyo and reactions, bad reactions or what, sa aking change na aking katawan. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Salamat sa 2,000 subscribers na nagtiis sa akin for this past 3 years. And I'm not promising anything, but I will try to do my best to create more content, to create more vlogs, and just comment below kung ano yung mga gusto nyo. Okay, so sa mga bago pa sa vlog ko, thank you so much for watching and for dropping by. If hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button para ma-notify kayo ng mga bagong videos ko. So thank you so much. I love you and thank you for watching. See you again next vlog. Bye-bye.
부드러운 눈빛으로 나도 그댈 바라보며 빈틈없이 안아줄 거야.